Cluey delivers personalised one-to-one and small group tutoring via our real-time online learning platform. It's face-to-face through a screen from the comfort of your home. All our programs are created by expert educators. Our tutors are all qualified teachers, high ATAR achievers, subject experts. And it's very flexible so that children can learn anytime, anywhere, and that means that they're engaged learning on their terms, at their pace. Students may come to us because they need to be caught up, because they've missed some school or they're missing some fundamental skills or concepts. They may just want to keep up in class and may feel that they need a bit of added support in order to do that. Or they may really want to be challenged. They may be very ambitious, they may want to excel. In every case, we can provide the support that they need. The way that we work at Cluey is that we gauge where the student is at the beginning of their program. We meet them where they are. And from there, we can see often that there are gaps in understanding, and we can go backwards in the curriculum. We can go to an earlier or more simple concept and build up the understanding from there. We want to be able to support each one of them so that they can meet their goals, they can achieve what they're aspiring to, and they can just feel a little bit more confident.
It's definitely improved my marks and helped me catch up to the rest of the year.
I wasn't very confident at some tasks that we were doing in class because I didn't know what they were. And when I had Cluey, then the next week I knew what we were doing.
If we can't make a week, it's easy to reschedule. If you want to do 2 in a week, that's easy enough to fit it in. So the flexibility is very good.
With the online tutoring, you're getting that feedback once a week. So you're actually knowing where your child's at before you're getting to the end of the term.
Overall, I found tutoring with Cluey very good because it's an amazing platform and it's very easy to use, and it's really helped me have the motivation to actually practice maths.
I watch these kids learning and I feel that if we do nothing else but support that child, we've done something useful.